Welcome. In this video I will show you how to replace a nib in WACOM One pencil. So we're only gonna need three things: the bag of replacement nibs, the nib grabber, it comes with the tablet itself, and of course the pencil. So first of all, when should you replace the nib? You should replace it whenever it gets a flat point at the very tip. As you can see, this one is perfectly new, so it's not a good example of the nib that should be replaced. However, I'm gonna use it as an example. So basically, what you need to do is find this tiny hole here in the middle of the nib grabber and carefully place your nib into this hole. Then press your nib grabber slightly and try to pull it carefully. And this way you will remove the old nib from the pencil. Now let's place it somewhere here, and now let's grab a new nib from the bag. And let's put it into the place of an old one. Be very careful not to break it. Basically, you just have to normally align it with the hole in your pencil and then slightly tap it with your finger. You will feel a slight tap when you pull it inside, or push it inside. And that's it. The nib is replaced. If it doesn't fall off, that's good enough. So that's basically it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.